back to Run Fun Run for Kids. And today we're making pizzas just for fun. These are the ingredients you need for a pizza. Olive oil, yeast, salt, flour, water. Now Dad is coming in to help.
Okay, what we need to do, boys, you need to first of all weigh 500 grams of flour in this bowl. So William, if you can do that, that'd be great. Joshua, what you need to do is pour this yeast into this water.
Ooh.
Just half a teaspoon of salt into the bowl. So Joshua holds that and William's going to try and pour that into there.
I'm now going to pour the yeast into the flour and I'm going to mix it.
Actually, take it all out.
Close your eyes for a minute.
Put it on there. And boys, you know how to knead the dough, don't you? So start kneading.
What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Okay, so we just finished kneading and putting the dough into a ball. And now we're going, after we put the oil in the bowl, which we've just done, we're going to put this in here like that and leave it to set for an hour. I've got a pan and I've got tomatoes, but these aren't just tomatoes. These are M&S tomatoes.
For a second, I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
We like having pineapple on our pizzas. We know it's controversial. Troll us in the comments.
Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Run, run, run. Run, run, run.
Whoops.